I don't care if my children get 90. I will always see them as my child. I don't care how angry I get at them. I will always find a way to get over it. I can get into an argument with my children and I will never pull out all my guns. Now they might disagree with that because I got some cap guns that's pretty tough. But to pull out my AK-47 and let you have it like you're my enemy, I would never use that, even if it means letting you win. Because I learned that as a parent, your words leave scars so deep that when the emotion is over, the scar remains there. You ain't nothing. You're stupid, and you ain't never gonna be nothing. That comes out of emotional rage. Then the emotion goes away, but the scar and the echo stays. I didn't know that. I learned that. I learned to be careful, even when I'm angry. So if we start going at it, I back out.
Please.
I back out because I have the tongue of death. If I turn it loose, let me tell you something, I don't know why, but I'm not scared of none of you sisters. I know y'all got some. Mouth on you, but I can hang. If they turn me loose and cut off these cameras, I can go do anything. This God who runs not just the earth, not just our galaxy, but all galaxies. This God who spoke a word and said, let there be, and everything started spinning. This God who is a circle. Ezekiel says a wheel in the middle of a wheel. He's a circle because a circle has no beginning or end. A line has a starting place and an ending place, but a circle just goes on and on and on. This wheel in the middle of a wheel said, let there be, and wheels started coming out of his mouth. Suns and earths and galaxies, and everything he spoke in a circle started spinning around and around in a circle. A circle is a cycle, and a cycle is a season. And God spoke it, and everything started spinning it, and he stepped back and began to run the circles because he's a God who sits on the circle of the earth. In other words, he's got everything up under control. Your life might look crazy, it might seem crazy, it might feel crazy, everything might be spinning like you are. A piece of clay on the potter's wheel, and you are. But what you got to understand is that when the potter spins the wheel, he controls the rhythm with his foot, and your life is in his hands, and he's got control of what